Hey there, folks. Let's do a little channel news. Let's see. First of all, thanks for everybody for watching. All of our numbers are actually up, which doesn't explain why the 365-day numbers are down. But YouTube is telling me over the last 28 days, and they were nice enough to put this little blurb on my analytics page that says, wow, your channel views are up 112% as you publish more videos and got more views per video than before. Little balloon, all 9 yards. I guess they can't explain to me why, even though all those numbers are up, why my 365-day rolling averages are down. I don't know. Patriot Nurse did a great video, I don't know, a couple, 3 weeks ago on YouTube algorithms and things like that. I suggest you guys jump over to her channel and watch that thing. She seems to know more about it than I do. Let's see. But anyway, this is what y'all are here for. Our current subscriber count is 6,348. This is a 28-day grade, which is what YouTube automatically throws you into when you look at your analytics. They say that I've got 7,000 views over the last 28 days, which they say is 2.4 thousand more than usual. They say my watch time is 552.7 hours, which is 292.7 more than usual. But my 365-day rolling average for view time is down, which is how they grade you for monetization and things like that. So I guess they can't explain that. And they say I'm up 223 subscribers in the last 28 days, which is about the same as I normally get in 28 days. Let's see. Let's take a look at the top 10 videos over the last 28 days. People are still watching that Gear Talk video about that Chinese Boreal shirt. You know, the ones they advertise on Facebook as, well, they advertise it using Lester River and Weatherwool and other people's video footage of actual wool anoraks. But what you actually get when you order it is a cotton blend pullover sweatshirt, basically, is what you get. So apparently people are still watching that. Wow. 1,079 views on that video in the last 28 days. Or maybe that's lifetime. Anyway. Then the Pathfinder Scout Pack video. You guys are watching that. The old Weatherwool all-around jacket review video is still up there. A couple of cigar and whiskey talks. The videos about the Pathfinder iPack. People seem to be watching that. And people are still watching my year-end channel news video. Oh no. And the knots and rope work. But I just put a video up about that. It's been a long time since I actually added anything to that playlist. So, you know. If you guys want to see more knots, let me know. I'm kind of anal about that kind of stuff. Because the fact is all those kind of things, they have an intended usage, just like gear that we buy. It has design intent, and people go outside the design intent, and then they complain that it doesn't perform. I don't know. That's like buying a Yugo and saying it doesn't perform like a Camaro. I'm dating myself right there. Yugos were a long time ago. Look it up. Yugoslavian car manufacturer, Yugo. They were disposable cars. I can't get enough of this little blurb that YouTube put on here. Wow, your video, your channel views are up 112%. Da, 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 da. Thanks. Make it count, guys. Make it count, YouTube. That's about it as far as the channel news goes. A few folks are still subscribing on Patreon to support the channel. I appreciate that. I'm flirting with the idea, if I can get videos made ahead, of releasing the video to the Patreon subscribers a little bit before I release it to the regular YouTube subscribers. I don't know if that's the right thing to do or not, so I may not do it. But I don't know. I haven't made a vlog for Patreon in a really long time. Sorry, guys. What else is going on with the channel? Let me click over. Looks like several of you have bought the Salty Dog coffee mugs. Thank you. Appreciate that. Let me know how you like them. A couple of t-shirts somebody bought. Let me know how you like those. Something I'll tell you about it used to be Teespring, now it's just Spring. I designed my t-shirts and stuff on through their website, and the reason I use Spring is because they're the only ones that will integrate with YouTube. I don't have enough subscribers yet. I'm not monetized, so I can't integrate it, but they're actually pretty good on their customer service. They're a little slow on getting things out because they print things when you order them, and it takes them a few days to get it into the print queue and get it done and get it sent out and all that kind of thing. So they're a little slow compared to some places. And something I am finding out with several of the designs, they've got both front printing and back printing. The back printing doesn't seem to hold up like the front printing does, and I don't know why. I've messaged them about it a couple of times, and all they've done is replace the t-shirts for me. They haven't explained why the back printing is worse than the front printing. I've got that 10C's shirt on there, and the back printing on a couple of mine that I wear around is completely gone, and the front Salty Dog Outdoors logo is still good. So that's after a number of washings and wear them out in the woods and doing all that kind of stuff. So the good news is they will take care of quality issues right away. I got a couple that faded faster than I wanted them to, and I took pictures of them and sent them to them. They sent me brand new shirts, so they were good about that. So if any of you have any experiences with them or got anything to say about that, feel free to leave me a comment about it. Let us know what your experience was. School season is fixing to start up here again. The winter class still has some slots available. And let me explain to you how classes go over at the Pathfinder school. This may be insider information. I don't know if I'm supposed to share it or not. But there has to be a minimum number of signups to hold the class because, you know, they have to pay instructors, they have to pay insurance, they have to pay all that kind of stuff. And it's just not cost effective to bring a number of instructors in that there aren't enough students to verify or to justify having that many instructors. And I'll be perfectly honest with you. Dave and I have talked about this on a number of occasions. The school is not about making money. It has to pay its bills, of course. They've got 186 acres over there that he's still paying for and that kind of thing, and improvements to the school, and you know, that the big brand new shelter classroom and the big brand new shelter community fire pit weren't free. But the good news is the required number of students is fairly low for most classes to bring in the instructors and things like that. And I do know that the winter class has a few slots available. So if you guys want to get over there and sign up for the winter class, you can use my SRO link in the description, and that'll take you into my main suggested gear page, and then you can just use the search bar and search for whatever class you're looking for. For example, the winter skill class. So, if you haven't signed up for that class and you were thinking about it, go ahead and sign up for it. I got the curtain up in the background because my wife complains about my clutter in the back when I shoot from the computer over here. But anywho, what else is going on? I'm going over to Dave's this weekend. You'll be seeing this. I'll already be at Dave's because I'm scheduling this for Friday. So, this may be a trial run on that. Put it up Patreon first. I don't know. But anyhow, this is actually meant to be Friday's video, and I'm shooting it on Wednesday. So, when you're seeing this, I will be at Dave's. He's having a ham radio event at the school, on the school property. It's not a Pathfinder thing, but it's an event that he's holding on the property for ham radio operators. So I will be there this weekend, and then I don't think I'll be back over there again until the winter class, which is the end of February. And then if you guys want to check the training calendar for the Pathfinder school, I'm there at every class generally. So that's what my schedule looks like. And if you look at my Salty Dog Outdoors page on Facebook, I post my schedule up on there. So if you're having an event and for some reason you want me to come to it, I've had people ask me in the past, but generally they wait until too late and I've already got something on the schedule. So, and I told Dave many times the Pathfinder classes are my priority right now, because quite frankly we've had a lot of folks, I probably shouldn't get into this on this. Anyway, let's suffice it to say there are folks who are not with the school anymore, for one reason or another, who have felt the need to not only go off and start their own thing, which is cool. We encourage that, but they have done it by bad-mouthing the place that they learned from. So, I don't know. And yeah, we hear about that because people who are at the places these folks are complaining about us generally let us know. Anyway, that's really all I've got. So I will leave you with that. Thanks for all the channel growth. I appreciate that. If you like what I've got to say over here, if you like being a member of the community, then tell your friends to come and join. That's really about it. And to those of you who are sharing my videos on Facebook and other social media platforms, thank you. That is bumping the views up a lot. I'm still not one of those channels where I get thousands of views on a video. Let me see here. I will tell you exactly what my highest videos have ever been since in the life of the channel. Let's see here. Views. Sort this on views. Highest to lowest. My highest ranking video is a video that's not up publicly anymore. And next after that is an ROTC video that my youngest son was in command of at an Area 3 drill meet. That's my second highest video. And then my third highest video of all time is that Weather Wool all-around jacket review video. It has 7,000 views lifetime. That's ever since I put it up. And that video is actually from 2020, so it did pretty good. And after that is a video from 2013. My wife playing with her pocket hunter when she first got it. So that's where we stand. Hope to see you all in the woods. Thanks for your views. Thanks for your support. Thanks for supporting my friends. And thanks for all the ways you guys keep the channel going. Talk to y'all later. Dogs are moving my curtain around. Talk to y'all later. Bye.